Hi, this is Ty. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to create this effect in Photoshop. First, we will prepare the texture needed for this effect. Create a new canvas with 3000 by 3000 pixels. Select the Gradient tool. From the presets, choose the gradient that goes from black to transparent. Hold Shift while dragging to keep the gradient straight horizontally. Next, click the chain icon between the layer thumbnail and the mask to unlink them. This allows you to move or transform them separately. Then right-click on the layer and rasterize it. Press Command-T or Control-T to enter free transform mode. Hold Shift while resizing to keep the proportions correct. Now hold Option or Alt while dragging to duplicate the layer and place copies side by side. Repeat this process to quickly build the pattern. Once finished, select all the layers and press Command-E or Control-E to merge them. Duplicate with Command-J or Control-J and rotate while holding Shift. Holding Shift ensures the rotation snaps to clean angles. Merge them again and the texture is complete. Since we will use this later, save it as a PSD file, not as PNG or JPEG. Give it a clear name such as Glass Tile Texture. Now let's apply the glass tile effect to an image. Place your chosen image on the canvas. Go to Filter, then Filter Gallery. From the Distort section, select Glass. Under Texture, choose Frosted. Adjust the settings as you like, or copy mine if you are unsure. You now have a glass tile effect. To enhance it, click the plus button at the bottom right to add another glass filter. Click Load Texture and import the PSD texture you saved earlier. This applies the tile pattern onto your image. Change the scaling to adjust the size of the tiles, and modify distortion or smoothness as needed. Finally, click OK at the top right. And the glass tile effect is complete. Next, let me show you how to create the cutout style part of this effect. First, create a new layer at the very top and draw the shape you want to cut out. Make sure the shape has a visible border and that the inside is filled with color. Once the shape is ready, duplicate the glass effect layer by pressing Command-J or Control-J and move it to the very top. Then click on the layer effects shown under the layer and drag them down to the trash to remove them. After that, place your cursor between the two layers and hold Option or Alt while clicking. This will create a clipping mask, and the glass effect will be applied outside the cutout area. If you want the effect to appear only inside the cutout, swap the positions of the two layers and then create the clipping mask again on the top layer. And with that, design is complete. How was it? Pretty easy, right? Subscribe for more creative tutorials. You'll find me on Instagram and TikTok, and my posters are available for purchase too. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next week.